Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of integers. This is fifth question of its exercise 1.1. So the question says that Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So amount deposited by Mohan is equal to, we हमें given है 2000, so इसे हम positive denote करेंगे 2000 rupees and amount withdrawn by Mohan is equal to 1642. लेकिन हमने ये withdrawal किए निकाले हैं, so ये आएगा negative 1642 rupees. So find out करना है balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is equal to 2000 minus 1642. So आ जाएगा हमारे पास 376 rupees. सॉरी ये हो जाएगा 358 rupees. So balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is 358 rupees and the amount which is withdrawn by Mohan from his account is denoted by negative sign. Thank you.